how to hide photos on iPhone. So it's very easy to do. So go to your photos, and we're going to select a couple photos here. I'm just going to pick a couple here that I have. And what you want to do is once you have those chosen, go to the three dots at the bottom right hand corner. You're going to get some options here and go ahead and click hide. And this is going to tell you that the photos will be put into the hidden album. So I'm just going to choose to hide these three photos, and then they disappear from your regular camera roll. So from here, what you can do is scroll down until you see hidden, and now you have them in a hidden album. Now what you can do is go out of here, go to your settings, scroll down to apps, and type in photos. What you can do here is actually use your Face ID to that way it's required to open those albums, or if you want to hide the hidden album, you can just by toggling show hidden album off. And then if we go back into your photos, now it's not there. So now your hidden album is actually hidden from your other folders on your phone, and when you're ready to go back, you can turn that back on, and then they'll be back under your utilities. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.